Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a Facebook page. So if you want to delete a Facebook page and if you have accidentally created account or if you want to delete your account, so this video is absolutely for you. So you guys have to simply open up Facebook on your browser. So after opening up Facebook on your browser, now you guys have to simply go to the top right corner of this menu button. It is nine dots displaying. So after clicking on that, you guys have to just simply scroll down. So here, after getting scroll down, you guys will be able to see the option which is pages. So you guys can be able to see the pages. You guys have to simply click on it. So after coming to pages section, now you guys have to just simply select any of the page which you want to delete. So you guys have to just simply open it. So I have opened it. Now you guys have to simply go to the settings in the top left panel. In the left panel, you guys have to just simply open up the settings. So after coming to your page settings, now you guys have to simply go to this left panel of privacy settings, and in the privacy section you guys have to just simply go to the second option which is Facebook page information. Now in the Facebook page information you guys have to simply see the last option which is deactivation or deletion. So you guys have to just simply click on this view button. So after clicking on this view button, it will redirect you to Facebook page two section, which is the first one is deactivate page and second one is delete page. So if you want to use the permanent method to delete the page, so you guys can select the second option which is this, and if you want to delete the account temporarily and you want to reset the page after some time, so you guys can select the first option. But here we have to just simply delete the page, so we have to just simply select this option and click on continue. So after clicking on continue, now you guys have to just again continue, and it will ask you for your Facebook password. So after putting your Facebook password, your Facebook, you have to just simply click on continue and your Facebook page will be deleted in this way. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.